Here is a warning that shook Washington, a statement that could change the military calculation in the Middle East. Welcome to TimesXP. It's me, Dhrityatri, and a tense moment unfolded inside the halls of the United States Senate. And the warning came from one of America's top diplomats, Marco Rubio. His message was blunt, direct, and deeply alarming. Thousands of US troops are within the striking range. Yes, during a crucial congressional hearing, Rubio revealed a stark reality. Between 30,000 to 40,000 American troops are currently stationed across the Middle East. Military bases, airfields, in fact, strategic command centers, all positioned across one of the world's most volatile regions. And according to Rubio, many of these locations could be vulnerable if conflict erupts with Iran. Then comes the weapon that is raising the global alarm. Rubio pointed specifically towards Iran's expanding missile and drone capability. Short-range ballistic missile, advanced combat drones, rapid strike technologies designed for regional warfare. Now, these weapons, he warned, are capable of reaching American installation very quickly, sometimes within minutes. Yes. And you know what? In modern warfare, speed often decides survival. And you know why the US cannot step back now? Rubio stressed that American military presence in the region is not accidental. It is strategic. It is designed to deter attacks, protect the allies, and maintain the regional stability here. According to him, reducing troop strength without security guarantees could expose the US personnel to higher risk here. Also, the option that keeps everybody nervous. Rubio reminded the lawmakers of one crucial factor here: the military authority of Donald Trump. He stated that President always retains the option to launch preemptive defensive actions if intelligence signals an imminent threat. You know, that statement alone has intensified the global speculation about the potential escalation scenario. Also, there is hidden concern behind the military warning. Rubio raised another issue that many defense experts rarely discuss publicly: political stability inside Iran. He suggested that any sudden leadership transition within Iran could trigger unpredictable outcomes: power struggle, fractional conflict, or regional instability. And history shows sudden leadership changes in major regional powers often creates a security vacuum. In the end, this moment is sensitive. Tension between Washington and Tehran are already extremely high. Sanctions continue, military deployments continue, and diplomatic negotiations remain fragile. And in such an environment, even small miscalculation can spiral into a major conflict.